Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A6 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to set up private safe on this phone. Private safe is useful if you want to hide your pictures or some of your pictures or videos on your phone. Basically prevent other people to access them, for example, or you want to have some videos or pictures basically protected by a password. And to set up the private safe, first we need to open the settings. Then we need to go to the security and privacy. Scroll down and tap on private safe. If you don't have the privacy password, you need to set it up. I'm gonna use the simple one, but I recommend to use something more complex. Then we have the recovery questions or email. I'm gonna use the question. And here we have our private safe. As you can see, we can hide images, audio, documents, and other files. And to add the file to the private folder, you simply, I'm gonna take a picture, for example. Okay, and let's say I want to hide these pictures. To do that, we can open the photos. Find the photo you want to hide. You can press and hold on it. And then tap on lock. Or is it more? No, I think it's lock. So we're gonna tap on lock. Okay. And as you can see, the photo will disappear. And to view it, we need to go to locked. And here we have it. You can also do it through the settings. So if you go to settings, private safe, enter the password, and let's say you want to add something, you tap here. Oh no, you tap on the category, then tap on add. We don't have any documents, so images and videos, tap on add. Select the picture you want to add. You can select multiple as well, and then tap on lock. And as you can see, it was added and it will disappear from your phone, and you will be able only to view it if you enter the password. And you can do it for audio, documents, other files as well. Okay. And that's how you set up the private safe on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.